Okay, for the next time, the next 5 minute lesson video we're going to do, I'm going to show you two things. The first is what you learn in every beginner guitar book, the very first thing. And we're going to start learning a couple of note names. So if we start with your highest pitch string, it should be tuned, so make sure you have a tuner app, but that highest pitch string is going to be E, as in elephant. And then if you play the very first fret, that note is F. E, F. Now if you play the third fret, and many guitars have this marked with a little dot on it, of that string, you're playing G. So we have E, F, G. And if we keep our shape where we have one finger on each fret, you'd go open, that means without a finger down. You'd play the first fret with your index finger, and you'd play the third fret with your ring finger. And you can make all sorts of just neat sounds just using those three sounds. Most beginner guitar books will have you play some sort of combination of these, like just to memorize those letter names. E as in elephant, F as in fire, G as in gourmet, I guess. So the second thing we're going to go over is a couple of neat little arpeggios, and how you're going to play them we'll go over next lesson. But for now, let's just have you grab the 7th fret with your pinky, the 7th fret with your pinky on the A string. So that is your second thickest string, 7th fret. You'll play that once, and then you'll play the 6th fret of the next string down, the D string. I promise just one more note. You will use your first finger on the 3rd string, the G string, and it's the next string down. So it'll sound like this. And after playing that a few times, there's something neat you can do where you can grab the low E string with your middle finger on the 5th fret, play that note, and then with your index finger play the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string, and then the 7th fret of the A string with your pinky again. So to show you that in slow, and then to make this really neat, we can move our 2nd finger to the 7th fret of the low E string, our 1st finger to the 6th fret of the A string, and our pinky to the 9th fret of the 5th string. And if you play that all together, it'll sound like this. And that'll be your 5-minute lesson, and hope you enjoyed. We'll pick up again next time.